We've heard that all plant-based diets on raw fruits and vegetables are good for us, but what are the most important first steps to take on this path? What are the most important fine-tuning considerations? What are the most important strategies for long-term success? And what other lifestyle considerations are also essential? If you're looking for answers to these questions, or inspiration to start, maintain, or improve a plant-based diet rich in fruits and vegetables, I have a free online resource for you. Doctors Rick and Karin Dina have assembled a group of world-class raw food plant-based educators and doctors to share with you their success strategies for creating successful real-world approaches to raw fruit and vegetable-based eating. We invite you to join us on the Raw Food Plant-Based Mastery Summit 2023. The Raw Food Plant-Based Mastery Summit starts May 22nd, 2023. Click your link below. It's completely free.